Hello viewers! Today we're talking about the heroes of our kitchens, the appliances that change the destiny of bread, toasters. But not just any toasters, we're looking at 4 brands with some impressive features. Some of these do air frying, others are tech savvy, and some are like, leave it all to me! So, we're taking a closer look at each of these machines to see which one would best fit your kitchen. Ready? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Cuisinart TOA-70. Let me introduce a true multitasking beast for your kitchen. The Cuisinart TOA-70 doesn't just toast bread, it can also air fry, grill, and bake pizza all in one. Now, you might be asking, can one machine really do all that? Yes, it can. This buddy can toast 6 slices of bread or air fry 3 pounds of wings, and even bake a 12-inch pizza before you can say dinner time. In short, it's big enough to feed the whole family with ease. With 1,800 watts of power, it proudly says, I'm here. Plus, it has a wide temperature range, going up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With its timer, auto shutoff, and the beloved toast shade selector, it's a great all-rounder that won't disappoint. And cleaning is a breeze with its non-stick interior and accessories like the oven rack, air fry basket, and grill. And in case you're wondering, what's the warranty like? It's got a 3-year limited warranty for extra peace of mind. In summary, if you're looking for a do-it-all kitchen wizard, the Cuisinart TOA-70 is your new best friend. Number 2. Cosori CTO R251S. Meet the Cosori CTO R251S, where tech and cooking meet. This kitchen buddy is more than a toaster. It's a smart cooking assistant with a 26-quart capacity. Let's take a closer look at what you can do with it. This smart oven has 12 cooking functions, so it's not just about toasting. From air frying to baking, roasting, and more, a single touch does it all. It can toast 6 slices of bread, bake a 12-inch pizza, or cook a whole 5-pound chicken. It even says, I've got Christmas dinner covered. Plus, it has 6 heating elements and a 2-speed fan for faster, even cooking. And yes, it's Wi-Fi compatible, so you can connect to the VSync app and control it through Alexa or Google Assistant with recipes for inspiration. With a stainless steel build, it's as durable as it is stylish, and it's easy to clean thanks to the crumb tray and non-stick interior. In summary, the Cosori CTO R251S is perfect for those who want a smart and versatile kitchen companion. Number 3. Ninja DT251. Here's the ninja of the kitchen, the Ninja DT251. This one rewrites the saying, killing 2 birds with 1 stone, because it handles 10 functions in one go. If you're the type who says, I'm a pro in the kitchen, this one's for you. Equipped with true surround convection, this oven is 10 times more powerful than traditional ovens, delivering crispy outsides and juicy insides. And it's got a smart cooking system with a foodie smart thermometer, so whether you want rare or well done, it's just a button away. Its 2-level cooking space is built for feasts, a 5-pound chicken with a veggie tray, 2 12-inch pizzas, or even a 12-pound turkey. And the 90-second preheat means you won't be waiting around for dinner. And yes, it's also an air fryer, delivering up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. With its digital display handle, you'll see rack placements light up according to your selection, smart and practical. With its full range of accessories included, the Ninja DT251 is designed to make your kitchen experience faster and more enjoyable. Number 4. Black & Decker TOA-70XSB. Now here's a classic that delivers all you need without any extra fuss. The Black & Decker TOA-70XSB. This appliance is all about simplicity and efficiency. It's spacious enough to fit standard 9 by 13-inch oven pans, so you can use your existing bakeware and go straight from oven to table. Plus, it includes a broiler pan and a toasting rack, so you're all set. With convection heating, it circulates warm air for fast and even cooking. It's got the basics: baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. And with a dedicated toast timer, you'll always get your toast just right. Temperature settings are easy to use, and with a 60-minute timer and stay-on function, even longer bakes are no problem. In short, the Black & Decker TO-3250XSB is the perfect pick if you want reliable, no-fuss performance. It's the just right choice for those who value simplicity. And now for the conclusion. Today, we looked at 4 unique toasters. The Cuisinart TOA-70 brings versatility and power to the kitchen. The Cosori CTO R251S, with its smart features, is ideal for tech enthusiasts. The Ninja DT251 speed and large capacity make it perfect for families, while the Black & Decker TO-3250XSB is a dependable choice for those who prefer simplicity. So, which one is best for you? Think about the features that match your needs convenience. If you want variety in tech, check out Ninja or Cosori. For a straightforward choice, Black & Decker has your back. Or, if you want a bit of everything, Cuisinart is a great option. Thanks for watching, and we hope we've helped you find the perfect kitchen star. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.